In tonight's Healthier Me, new research suggests that tiny particles of pollution found in brain tissue could be contributing to diseases such as Alzheimer's. The study, led by scientists at Lancaster University, raises a lot of new questions about the health risks of air pollution. Many studies have focused on the impact of dirty air on the lungs and heart. But now this new research provides the first evidence that tiny particles of what's called magnetite, which can be derived from pollution, can find their way into the brain. Though no definitive link between magnetite and Alzheimer's has been established, previous studies have found a correlation between high quantities of the compound and the disease in the brains of Alzheimer's sufferers.
Scientists have found evidence of the Zika virus in tears. The research from Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis was done in mice and will have to be replicated in humans before the findings might apply to people. The new study can help doctors learn more about how Zika affects the eyes and vision. There's no evidence to suggest that Zika can spread from one person to another through tears. The main way it spreads is through a mosquito bite. It can also be sexually transmitted.
More Americans are eating a gluten-free diet, even though rates of celiac disease have remained steady. Rutgers University researchers estimate nearly 2 million Americans have celiac disease, which is a slight decrease from 5 years ago. But the number of gluten-free eaters without the condition has tripled, reaching nearly 3 million. Experts say the perceived health benefits of a gluten-free diet and the increasing number of gluten-free products has contributed to this boom in popularity.
Later in sports, the Bison offense prepares to take on a team that gave up more than 40 points in their season opener. What that means for this weekend's matchup for NDSU.
Coming up next, despite the numbers showing how they save lives, many people still think it's okay to not buckle up in the back seat.